Is it time to blow up the New York Mets for this season? Absolutely. This is the JR Sport Brief on SNY.TV. So the New York Mets, they swept the San Francisco Giants over the weekend, one of the worst teams in baseball, but their record is still 34-41. Let's think about the injuries during the course of this season. We're talking about Cespedes, Syndergaard, Harvey, Matz. Hold on, I gotta take a breath. Wheeler, Lugo, Familia, Cabrera. And now Cabrera comes back and he wants out because he still wants to play shortstop. By the way, what team wants him playing shortstop for them defensively? He's terrible. He can't move. It's time for the New York Mets to sell off some assets and try to build for the future. Guys like Jay Bruce, Curtis Granderson, Addison Reed. I mean, Jay Bruce is batting .270 with 20 home runs, and he currently leads the Mets. Curtis Granderson, he's been killing it for the month of June with 6 home runs. And Addison Reed, he's been great out of the bullpen with an ERA of 2.82 with 11 saves. A contender would love to have him. It's time for the New York Mets to also bring up guys like Dominic Smith and Amed Rosario. And yes, Amed, he may not destroy the baseball, but he will definitely help defensively, and he needs a taste of the major leagues. The trade deadline is July 31st. The New York Mets are on the clock. Listen, we know this year is done. Sandy knows it, and it's time to build for the future. Make sure you check out more of my videos at facebook.com/SNY. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. You're not on the clock, but the Mets are. Start building.